Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 16th January 2026. Indian Bank's credit to deposit ratio hit an all-time high of 81.75% as of December 31st. Signaling pressure to attract deposits amid robust loan demand. The elevated ratio reflects challenges in deposit mobilization, with investors seeking higher returns elsewhere and a lag in deposit growth compared to credit expansion. India's chemical market is set for massive growth, potentially reaching over $300 billion by 2030. Domestic companies are encouraged to make bold strategic decisions to capture this opportunity. Significant potential exists in sunrise sectors like semiconductors, where specialized chemicals are in high demand. Indian firms can build substantial businesses by focusing on innovation and global scale. Indian Hotels Company, backed by Tata Group, is acquiring a majority stake in Bridge Hospitality. This move aims to bolster IHCL's presence in the boutique luxury hotel market. The deal, valued at up to Rs 225 crore, will integrate Bridge's portfolio of 22 hotels. This acquisition is expected to be completed by March 2026. India's $283 billion IT services industry is showing signs of recovery in 2026, boosted by rising discretionary client spending and AI-driven deals. Infosys and HCL Tech have raised revenue guidance following strong contract wins, while TCS reports healthy demand despite macro uncertainties. Analysts expect AI-led demand to lift Indian IT services revenue growth trajectory. Used car platform Cars24 on Thursday said it aims to go for a public listing in the next 6 to 12 months as the company sees rising revenue growth in the first half of financial year 26. The company reported an adjusted net revenue of Rs 651 crore in the first half of financial year 26, up 18% year-on-year, with its adjusted EBITDA burn reduced by 36% year-on-year to a loss of Rs 162 crore. In first half of financial year 26, around 85,000 cars changed hands on Cars24's platform across three markets: India, UAE and Australia. Reserve Bank of India has released draft amendment directions clarifying the computation of owned fund and Tier 1 capital for non-banking financial companies and asset reconstruction companies. RBI has specified the terms and conditions under which perpetual debt instruments will qualify for inclusion in Tier 1 capital. The draft also clarifies the treatment of deferred tax assets and deferred tax liabilities for the purpose of regulatory capital computation.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.